Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered what exactly is cryptocurrency? Welcome to Seeds of Finance. Today, let's break it down super simple. Cryptocurrency is digital money, but unlike the money in your bank, it's not controlled by any government, bank, or company. It runs on something called as blockchain. Think of it like a public digital notebook where every transaction is recorded, permanent, transparent, and impossible to fake. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, the transaction is verified by thousands of computers around the world, not by one central authority. This is called decentralization, and this is where crypto becomes powerful. It means no middlemen, no waiting, no bank timings. Your money is yours fully. People use cryptocurrency to transfer money across the world instantly, store value like digital gold, buy things online, and yes, invest as well. Although prices can rise and fall quickly, so research is important. In simple words, cryptocurrency equals digital money plus blockchain plus decentralization, a new financial system built for the internet age. If you want to learn crypto in simple language, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto related videos.